Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian-style tomato sauce. First, select the finest ingredients. Opt for ripe, high-quality tomatoes such as San Marzano, which are renowned for their sweet flavor and low acidity. You will also need fresh garlic, fragrant basil, and a good quality extra virgin olive oil. These foundational elements are key to achieving an authentic and delicious sauce. Next, prepare your tomatoes. Briefly blanch them in boiling water for approximately 30 seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling the skins effortless. After peeling, remove the cores. You can then crush the tomatoes by hand for a rustic texture or use a food mill for a smoother consistency, depending on your preference. Now let's build the flavor base. In a large pot, gently sauté 2 cloves of finely minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium-low heat. Cook until the garlic is fragrant and lightly golden, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Be very careful not to burn it, as burnt garlic can make your sauce bitter. A pinch of red pepper flakes can add a nice, subtle warmth. Finally, it's time to simmer and finish your sauce. Add the prepared crushed tomatoes to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to deepen. Just before serving, stir in a generous handful of fresh basil leaves and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.